How often should an ignition coil be replaced? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, I'm not sure if that question was intended, should they be replaced regularly, or how often would they fail? Because those are kind of two different questions. But the bottom line is, an ignition coil should be replaced when it fails. And there can be a huge variation in qualities of coils, so you have to be cautious about what brand you buy for that particular car. Also, changing your spark plugs regularly keeps the voltage requirements down and the coils last a little bit longer. Some cars are more prone to coil failures, some less. So there's no really clear answer on how often you should expect to have to do them. Sorry I don't have a better answer for you, but I hope that's been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.